here's what we've done so far. Is we laid this guy out, and of course cut off all the tabs and whatnot. And I originally kind of thought the smart way to measure this out was off these flanges and base all my math off of that. So I did, but it turns out that this axle is like 3/4 of an inch shorter than the driver's side. So no big deal. Cut this guy off, this little nub right here. The Portaman made short work of that, but it was just I really didn't have a use for it, and I think that it possibly could hit the inside of the well for the axle. So just getting rid of it made sense. And yeah, so you guys have already seen all the video on this, changing the ring and pinion gear out. It's a 315 gear, and it's already cleaned up and ready to have the perches welded on the spring pads, and those are up. I'll show you right here. These guys, these are the old Hash springs. I just ordered these guys today. I just ordered Beltex replacement for an F body, since I didn't really get much feedback on the Monoleafs, and I think that'll be fine. They're made to be just like a stock retrofit, and the perches and whatever, that was like $500. But yeah, we just located these guys in their, I think we'll probably try to locate them both the same, in their little holes, and we're gonna just put the axle up here and then measure from the inside of the hub flange to this guy on either side, so we get that right, so it's sitting in the well the way we want it to, and then maybe we can get the pinion angle sorted and tack it in place so we can weld it out. So that's the plan, and I think I've covered everything else we've done. We got the transmission all mounted up in there, so that's where we're at. Fuckers out. I really don't know what else I have to win or lose. Let me just, I guess, double check, make sure the angles didn't change much. That's how we got it in there. So it's all tacked up and welded out, to be honest with you. And I think I'm just going to keep this week's video kind of short. I got a bunch of film I got to go through and edit out, so I'll probably keep doing that. And hope you enjoyed the quick video to tide you over. I appreciate everybody stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. This is Mike Monkey Fab. Until next time, signing out.